Akala ko okay na tayo nung humingi ako ng tawad sa'yo. Sabi mo magsisimula tayo ulit. Pero ano to? Kada mali ko, binabalik mo lahat ng kasalanan ko. Paano tayo makakausad kung bumabalik lang tayo sa dating areglo? Alam ko may kasalanan ako at di ganun kadali kalimutan. Pero sana nung sinabi mong clean slate, sinabayan mo ng konting hint ng katotohanan. Ako si Pete, assuming na okay pa kami. Di na pala. My love, have you ever wondered, kailan ba nagiging sapat yung sorry? Kailan ba nagiging sapat na humingi ka ng tawad sa isang taong nasaktan mo? For every wrong that you did to be deleted sa memory nila. My love, based on experience and based na din siguro sa personality ko of who I am, I can forgive, but it's hard for me to forget. That doesn't mean I won't give you a chance to redeem yourself. That doesn't mean na hindi ka nabibigyan ng pagkakataon. Na sa paningin niya, nagbago ka na, sa paningin niya, you became better. Pero hindi kasi ganun kadali yun eh. We all hope na after we apologize to a person na nasaktan natin, instantly, parang noodles, parang pagkain sa vending machine, parang easy open can, instantly, makukuha mo na yung gusto mo. Sana ganun din pag nagpatawad ka, na instantly pag pinatawad ka na ng taong yon, things will go back the way it used to be. Pero life is not like that. Kahit papano, you have to give that person a grace period para unti-unti mahanap uli yung rason kung bakit kanya pinatawad. Kasi the moment a person forgives you, ang unang iniisip ng taong yun ay all the good things that you did for him or for her. Lagi niyang iniisip the good outweighs the bad, kaya pinatawad ka, kaya pinagbigyan ka ulit ng panibagong pagkakataon sa buhay niya. Or for the simplest reason, mahal ka kasi. That person loves you so much that it's better to forgive you than to let you go. Pero yung grace period na hinihingi sa'yo nung taong yon, nang hindi niya sinasabi, ay yung grace period for that person to remember every good reason why you are in his or her life. And that takes time. Kasi sa bilis ng pagbitaw niya ng salitang I forgive you, hindi humahabol yung mga katagang nakalimutan ko na. The I forgive you is faster than I forgot about it. Yung pagpapatawad niya sa'yo ay mas mabilis kesa sa proseso ng kalimutan kung ano man yung nagawa mo. Yes, from time to time, forgive that person for bringing that up. Kasi obviously, it hurts. Hindi niya magawang mag-grieve dun sa sakit na yon kasi you are back in that life. Yes, pwede mo sisihin yung tao na ba't mo kasi ako agad pinatawad, hindi ka pa pala handa, hindi ka pa pala ready. Again, babalik tayo dun sa part na forgiving you is a lot easier than losing you. Kasi that is even more painful for that person. So my love, if may mga moment na nakakalimutan niya, na pinatawad ka na pala niya, at ibinabalik niya yung dati mong kasalanan, ibigay mo sa kanya yung pasensyang ibinigay niya sa'yo nung nagkamali ka. You can say sorry again if you want to. And tell that person in a very good way, I know I did wrong. I know nagkaroon ako ng kasalanan. I know nagawa ko yun and I apologize for it. But for this mistake na walang kinalaman sa kasalanan ko noon, I'm sorry if I hurt you. let's talk about this mistake. Naintindihan mo ako, my love, you have to be patient. I'm not saying na wag kang lumaban. I'm not saying na tanggapin mo yung galit because you deserve it. I'm not saying na magpaka-battered ka sa partner mo because that's what you must do dahil nagkamali ko. All I'm saying is, my love, be patient with that person. Kasi hindi niya ma-process yung part, nakalimutan lahat ng yun. Habang ginagawa niya yung proseso ng paghahanap ng rason kung bakit nandyan pa siya sa relasyon. So give that person a moment, a grace period, a duration of time to heal while being with you. All you have to do is be patient. Now sabihin na natin come 1 year, 2 years, and still it's the same thing. Then that's how you know that this person is not capable of forgetting. This person ay hindi capable na kalimutan yung sakit na dinulot mo sa kanya, and that's how you end it. That's when you say, I'm done. I've been patient. I've been responsible. I've changed. And if you couldn't see that after all these years, yung mistake ko before that was me. Pero tong pagtatapos natin, this is not me anymore. This is no longer my mistake. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? Sa lahat po ng humingi ng tawad, sa lahat ng mga taong nagkasala, kapag napagbigyan yung hiling ninyo ng second chance, kapag napagbigyan yung hiling ninyo na mag-clean slate, bumalik sa umpisa, or pick up where you left off, please give that person a moment, a duration of time to grieve for the pain you've caused. Patience, my love. It's one of the foundation of any working and successful relationship. Kailangan nyo ng pasensya sa isa't isa. If you don't think you can give it, then that's how you know you weren't deserving of forgiveness. Claro?